Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this problem using double angle formula or identity. As per the problem, find the exact value of sine 105 degrees using double angle formula. Let's start by analyzing the given term sine 105 degrees. As you may know, angle 105 degrees does not lie on the unit circle. That's why we need to do special analysis to find the value of sine 105 degrees. Angle 105 degrees is half of 210 degrees. 105 degrees times 2 is equal to 210 degrees, and the angle 210 degrees is on the unit circle. So we can use this information to find the value of sine 105 degrees using a double angle formula or identity. We can use the double angle formula or identity for cosine because it has sine term in it. The formula or identity we can use is cosine 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. We can sub in theta as 105 degrees. So we get cos 2 times 105 degrees equals 1 minus 2 sine squared 105 degrees. This is the equation we have to solve to find the value of sine 105 degrees. 2 times 105 degrees is 210 degrees. So we get cos 210 degrees equals 1 minus 2 sine squared 105 degrees. We can find the value of cos 210 degrees from the unit circle or by doing the quadrant analysis using the cast rule or the ASTC rule. In this video, I'll use the quadrant analysis and cast rule or ASTC rule. The first step is to sketch the angle 210 degrees. As you may know, this angle lies in quadrant 3 because this angle is greater than 180 degrees and less than 270 degrees. Next, we can find the reference angle or related acute angle for 210 degrees. For that, we should subtract 180 degrees from 210 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. This angle here is the reference angle or the related acute angle for 210 degrees. As per the cast rule or the ASTC rule, cos is negative in quadrant 3. Therefore, cos 210 degrees is equal to minus cos 30 degrees. Because 30 degrees is the reference angle or the related acute angle for 210 degrees. Next, we can use the special triangle for 30 degrees to find the value of cos 30 degrees. As per the special triangle, cos 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 2. We have to isolate sine 105 degrees in this equation. We should move the term negative 2 sine square 105 degrees to the left side of the equation. It will become a positive term, and we should move negative square root 3 over 2 to the right side of the equation. It will become positive square root 3 over 2. Next, we can add the terms on the right side of the equation. The denominator of 1 is 1. The common denominator is 2. So we get 2 over 2 plus square root 3 over 2. Because we multiply 1 over 1 by 2 in the numerator and denominator. Now we can add the fractions. Next, we can divide both sides by 2. to get rid of the 2 on the left side of the equation. We can simplify the expression on the right side by writing it as a division statement. So we get 2 plus square root 3 over 2 divided by 2. Next, we can change this division statement into a multiplication statement. The denominator of 2 is 1. We should flip the fraction 2 over 1 to 1 over 2. Now we can multiply the fractions. We should multiply the top terms and the bottom terms. I get 2 plus square root 3 over 4. Next, we can apply square root to both sides to get rid of the square on the sign. The square and the square root on the left side cancel each other out. Angle 105 degrees lies in quadrant 2, and in quadrant 2 sine is positive, so we get the positive case when we apply the square root. So we get square root of 2 plus square root 3 over 4. When we apply the square root, we get the plus and the minus cases, but since sine of 105 degrees cannot be a negative value, we ignore the negative case. Next, we can simplify this term. Square root of 4 is equal to 2, so we can move the 4 outside the square root. This should be the final answer for the value of sine 105 degrees. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.